you first settle into a truly well-crafted bamboo sofa that changes how you think about furniture forever. That initial contact, the way the material seems to welcome your weight without protest, the subtle flex of the frame adjusting to your body, the faint organic scent that whispers of forests and craftsmanship rather than factories and chemicals. This isn't just another piece of furniture. It's an experience that reconnects you with nature's intelligence while pampering you with comfort. Bamboo sofas represent a perfect marriage of ancient material wisdom and contemporary design, creating living room centerpieces that are as kind to the environment as they are to your spine. The journey of a bamboo sofa begins long before it enters your home, out in the bamboo groves where master harvesters select individual stalks with the care of sommeliers choosing vintage wines. Not all bamboo is created equal for furniture making. The ideal stalks are between 4 to 5 years old, young enough to retain flexibility but mature enough to have developed the dense fiber structure that gives bamboo its remarkable strength. Harvesting happens during the dry season when the bamboo's natural sugars are at their lowest, preventing insect problems down the line. These carefully chosen poles then begin a transformation process that would put most hardwoods to shame. The curing method makes all the difference. Traditional air drying under shaded, well-ventilated conditions for at least 6 months allows the bamboo to stabilize naturally, developing that perfect balance between yield and rigidity. Some modern artisans use precision kilns that accelerate the process without sacrificing quality, but the principle remains the same. Patience and preparation leads to perfection in the final product. What emerges from this curing process is a material that defies expectations. Pound for pound, bamboo outperforms oak in tensile strength while weighing significantly less. Its natural hollow structure isn't a weakness but a design feature waiting to be exploited by creative furniture makers. The nodes, those characteristic rings spaced along the length of each pole, become natural reinforcement points in sofa construction. Expert craftsmen use these to their advantage, placing joints and connections at these naturally strengthened locations. The joining techniques themselves are works of art. Time-tested methods like the locked mortise and tenon or the dovetail bamboo joint create connections so precise they seem to grow that way naturally. For contemporary designs, aircraft-grade aluminum connectors get hidden inside the hollow poles, giving sleek modern lines while maintaining structural integrity. The seating experience of a bamboo sofa surprises first-time sitters. Unlike rigid wooden frames or overstuffed conventional sofas, bamboo offers a unique, live feel. It has just enough give to be comfortable while maintaining firm support. This comes from the material's natural flexibility combined with intelligent design. The best bamboo sofas use slightly curved slats for the seat base that flex under weight before springing back perfectly when you rise. Backrests often feature gently angled bamboo poles that follow the natural curve of the spine. Armrests get shaped to accommodate the bamboo's natural growth patterns, sometimes left round, other times split and flattened for a more contemporary look. The magic lies in how these elements work together to create seating that's simultaneously supportive and forgiving. Comfort gets taken to another level through the thoughtful integration of natural cushioning materials. Organic latex foam, derived from rubber trees, provides resilient support that doesn't sag over time. Layers of coconut coir add firmness and breathability, preventing that sticky feeling you get with synthetic foams on hot days. The covers tell their own sustainable story: linen or organic cotton in natural hues that complement rather than compete with the bamboo's beauty. Some innovative designs incorporate bamboo fiber fabric, created from the same plant as the frame, for a beautifully coordinated look. The most luxurious versions might include pillows stuffed with bamboo wool, an incredibly soft material made by finely splitting bamboo fibers until they achieve a down-like texture that's naturally temperature regulating. The aesthetic possibilities with bamboo sofas are nearly endless. For contemporary spaces, clean-line designs use uniform diameter bamboo poles and geometric arrangements, often with neutral-toned cushions that let the material shine. Mid-century modern interpretations might feature tapered bamboo legs with tufted leather seats. Bohemian versions celebrate bamboo's natural irregularities, with varying pole diameters and organic curves that look like they grew that way. Japanese-inspired designs focus on low profiles and minimalist lines, often incorporating woven bamboo matting as seat surfaces. The material's versatility even allows for curved sectionals that would be prohibitively expensive in traditional hardwoods. Bamboo bends beautifully when heated gently with steam. Living with a bamboo sofa is an ongoing relationship rather than a static ownership experience. The material responds to its environment, expanding slightly during humid months, contracting when the air turns dry. These subtle movements aren't flaws but reminders that you've brought a piece of the natural world into your home. Proper care is simple but important. Monthly dusting with a soft cloth followed by occasional treatment with a bamboo-specific oil blend keeps the material looking its best. Spills wipe away easily from the naturally water-resistant surface, and unlike upholstered sofas, you'll never worry about permanent stains in the frame itself. Over years, the bamboo develops a patina that factory finishes can't replicate, a warm glow that comes only from loving use and proper maintenance. The environmental impact of choosing bamboo furniture tells a powerful story. While a traditional hardwood sofa might represent the loss of a tree that took decades to grow, bamboo regenerates with astonishing speed. Some species can grow up to 3 feet in a single day. The plant's root system remains intact after harvesting, preventing soil erosion and actually improving with each careful cutting. Bamboo forests produce 35% more oxygen than equivalent stands of trees while requiring no pesticides or artificial irrigation. From an energy perspective, processing bamboo into furniture consumes just a fraction of the resources needed for steel or plastic alternatives. When you choose a bamboo sofa, you're not just furnishing your living room, you're casting a vote for sustainable manufacturing practices that could help shape our planet's future. Customization options let you make the piece truly yours. Many bamboo furniture workshops offer personalization services, perhaps carving a meaningful symbol into an armrest or adjusting the seat height to your perfect level. Cushion covers can be swapped seasonally to match changing decor schemes. Some designs incorporate clever hidden storage within oversized bamboo legs, perfect for stashing throws or magazines. The most innovative models might include removable side tables that slot seamlessly into the sofa's frame when needed then disappear when not in use. This adaptability means your bamboo sofa can evolve along with your lifestyle and tastes. There's something extraordinary about the first time you experience a well-crafted bamboo sofa. Your fingertips immediately recognize this isn't ordinary furniture. They detect the living history in every fiber. The alternating textures tell a story, the slightly raised nodes where the bamboo once branched, the satiny smoothness of the cured stalks between them. This is furniture that invites touch, that rewards close attention with sensory discoveries. Sit down and the conversation continues. You'll notice how the frame responds to your weight with quiet, organic sounds, not the alarming creaks of stressed particle board, but the natural settling noises of a material that remembers being alive. The temperature surprises too. Bamboo maintains that perfect Goldilocks balance, cool enough to be refreshing in summer yet never uncomfortably cold in winter. It's as if the material intuitively knows how to coexist with human comfort. More than just a place to sit. As the anchor of your living space, a bamboo sofa makes a profound statement. Sustainability you can feel. Unlike resource-intensive hardwoods, bamboo renews itself with astonishing speed, making this the most eco-conscious choice for discerning homeowners. Living craftsmanship. Each piece showcases the artisan's skill in working with bamboo's unique properties, from steam-bending techniques to innovative joinery. Nature's engineering, those hollow stalks? They're nature's perfect design, lightweight yet incredibly strong, flexible yet durable. Watch how guests interact with it. First their eyes are drawn to the elegant lines and intriguing grain patterns. Then comes the inevitable hand, they can't resist running fingers along the arms. Finally, the sigh of surprise as they sink into seating that offers both support and comfort. Before long they're asking where you found this remarkable piece, sparking conversations about sustainable design. A relationship that grows richer. While conventional sofas deteriorate, a quality bamboo piece actually improves with time. The frame, like a fine musical instrument, it settles into itself, becoming more comfortable while maintaining perfect structural integrity. The finish, that initial brightness matures into a deeper, richer patina that glows warmly in evening light. The textures, years of use enhance rather than diminish the tactile pleasure, as hand oils and careful cleaning bring out the material's natural luster. After a decade, when mass-produced sectionals are collapsing in landfills, your bamboo sofa will have evolved into an heirloom, its character more compelling, its story more meaningful. The cushions retain their shape better than synthetic alternatives, the frame stands as straight as day one, and the entire piece radiates the quiet confidence of quality that endures. The deeper philosophy. In our age of disposable decor and fast furniture trends, choosing bamboo represents a different worldview. Mindful consumption. This is furniture purchased with intention, not impulse. Connection to nature. Every day it reminds us of nature's perfect engineering. Sustainable luxury. Proof that eco-conscious choices don't require sacrificing comfort or style. Slow living, an antidote to our throwaway culture, designed to last generations. From the visual poetry of its grain patterns to the subtle, fresh aroma that greets you each morning, every aspect engages the senses. The way afternoon light plays across its curved arms. The satisfying solidity when you run your palm along its surface. Even the sound it makes when you settle in with a book, different somehow from ordinary furniture. Your invitation to better living. The next time you're considering new living room furniture, pause before defaulting to conventional options. Imagine instead waking to morning light dancing across those organic curves. The pride of explaining its sustainable origins to impressed guests. The knowledge that your choice helped preserve forests rather than deplete them. The joy of watching your sofa become more beautiful with each passing year. This is the bamboo difference. Not just furniture, but a daily celebration of nature's brilliance and human craftsmanship working in harmony. An investment that pays dividends in comfort, conscience, and timeless style. A relationship with your living space that deepens rather than fades, just like the renewable bamboo forest that made it possible. Your perfect seat isn't just something you buy, it's something you experience, something that connects you to the natural world every day. Isn't that what truly thoughtful living is all about?